Today we embark on a celestial journey as we explore a mesmerizing galaxy themed makeup look.
The palette that is perfect for this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Cosmos. I was very excited for this, but unfortunately one of my shades are destroyed. SUPERCLUSTER got super clustered. But no worries, ABH is really great with their customer service and I was sent a brand new one and it's coming to me right now.
In this palette, it's actually 6 mattes, but the galaxy is a matte with sparkles in it, and then you've got 6 shimmers. There is 2 metallic finishes, 4 duochromes, and 6 mattes. Let's dive into a universe of shimmering colors and cosmic wonders that will leave you feeling so out of this world. First, we are going to start with Space Dust, which is described as a matte sandstone. I am applying this shade in the first third of my crease. This is such a nice brown. If you guys have never tried Anastasia Beverly Hills matte eyeshadows, they always feel so buttery and soft. Next, we are diving into Comet, which is described as a matte toasted peach. This is hella toasted then, because this looks like a very warm reddish brown. I'm applying this shade in the middle crease. Next, we are using Eclipse, which is described as a matte muted plum. And we are applying this shade on the outer third of the crease. And then I'm using a clean blending brush just to blend out this super dark shade because this is hella pigmented. Now we're taking the shade Mars, which is described as a matte rusty brown. I'm taking this shade right in my eye socket with a very tiny brush. This is the Dose of Colors very small pencil brush, and it works great for things like this. And then once that color is applied, I'm taking the other side, which is a looser blending brush, but it's very tiny, and then blending that shade out. Now we are taking Dark Matter, which is described as a matte violet black.
And I'm applying this on the outer third of that socket area using the same pencil brush. And seriously, just take your time. This took me a long time, and with a video like this, you can easily cut things to make it seem like duh.
Next, we are taking Supernova, which is described as a duochrome pink lilac. When I was swatching these shades, it kind of feels like a gel, bouncy, very soft shimmer. And it kind of scared me a bit because, man, these are very, very, very soft, which is probably why my SUPERCLUSTER got destroyed. This shade is literally Supernova. This is so bright, so shimmery, and it is gorgeous. I love this shade. We're gonna use Mercury, which is a metallic titanium.
We are applying this shade on the outer half of the lid, and I'm using my favorite brush for this. This is the Refer 02.
That applied like butter with no fallout. The first shade I used for the first half of the lid, which was Supernova, it does have fallout, so I had to very carefully pack it on with my flat brush, but this one was dang awesome. Now we are using SUPERCLUSTER. This is described as a duochrome bluish green. I think I'm going to spray my brush for this one. This is very shattered, and it's very, I feel like it's gonna fall out like crazy. It's like falling out everywhere. Oh, just kidding. I'm applying this for my inner corner highlight. This is probably the prettiest duochrome blue-green I've ever tried. This is so pretty. Next, we are trying out the shade Orion, which is a metallic icy pink with a gold sparkle. This shade is really pretty. The gold sparkle really does show, so it would be really nice for a lid shade as well. This shade is called QUASAR, which is a duochrome green gold. And I'm applying that in the middle lower lash line. Oh my gosh. Okay, yeah, there is fallout, but seriously, these sparkly shades are so nice. Like, this kind of looks like mermaid colors. Also, I think I'm gonna apply the same shade right here where the 2 sparkly shades on my lid meets. And we are just gonna use this shade as a gradient color or a meshing color, or you know, blending color. Oh, ooh, that just like transformed that gray. If you can't tell the difference, just compare it to this eye. This one does not have it yet, but wow. Ooh. Next, we are using Sun, which is a duochrome pink bronze. And we're applying this shade in the outer lower lash line. This shade is similar to Orion, but I feel like it's a little bit lighter. I'm gonna take a brow brush and angle. This is the softest brow brush I have. It's by Morphe. And I'm just wetting this a little bit so we're not buried in fallout. I really want to try this Galaxy shade, which is a matte deep blue. I'm just going to apply this shade in the lash line just to see how it looks like on the eyes. I ran out of space and I don't know what to do with this, so this is what we're doing. Okay, for this eye, I ended up using Duraline. I just put a drop on my brush and then I just tapped it a little bit right here to create a liquid eyeliner that has crazy cool blue-green sparkles. You know, from far away, it just looks like black eyeliner. Now I'm gonna apply lashes and mascara. Since we have all the sparkles today, I kind of wanted to do a shimmery top coat for my lips. Do pink. This matches a lot better. So let's do this. This is in Beauty Glaze and this is in Glaze Donut. Okay, this Glaze Donut was a great choice. Here it is, a captivating galaxy themed makeup look that captures the essence of the ethereal beauty of the cosmos. This palette seriously brings out the magic in me, the art in me, and the excitement in me. Let's talk about favorite shades. I have a lot, I think, but my top 3 has to be QUASAR, which is somewhere over there. It's so beautiful and so unique, and I also really love Supernova. And this blue is something else, okay? It's just my top 3 favorite shimmers. But if I just have to add one more, the Mercury one is so good. It applied the best with no fallout. I love the shade. It's so... Did you get this palette and have you tried it yet? What are your favorite shades? Let me know in the comments below. If you truly enjoyed this makeup tutorial, don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Check out this video right here. This is the Natasha Denona Yucca palette. I will see you there, and don't forget, have a beautiful and wonderful day.